Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11 with my 2020 GRSupra behind me. You know, I typically take my vehicles to the dealer for service, and I wanted to explore some options this year, so I decided to take it to a BMW dealer instead of Toyota. So let me show you if they'll work on it and if there's any price difference. So after my local Toyota dealer told me they no longer have a Supra certified tech, I started thinking, why not just take it to BMW itself? And perhaps it's even cheaper because they don't have to order the BMW specific oil or brake fluid and all that. They should have that in stock, and they do it every day. So I called my local BMW dealer and they offered to do the service on it. And I took it in, and everyone's drooling over this car, of course, because it's not something they see every day, but they did understand it's a BMW underneath with a Toyota badge. But let me just show you the pricing and how it compares to the Toyota dealers. So first of all, I needed an oil change, and they of course used the BMW 0W20 oil, and the total was $185. Well, this is over $100 cheaper than the Toyota dealer. Another Toyota dealer quoted me because, again, they have the oil in stock, and it's not like they have to order it just by the quart from BMW themselves. And I also had the brake fluid flushed, and of course they used the DOT4 fluid, BMW spec, and it was $221. So this was, I believe, similar in price to the Toyota dealer I called for a quote, but it doesn't hurt to get a quote from a BMW dealer just to see what you're looking at. And I know you could do it yourself as well, but I do like to have that paperwork of a dealer certified car. So anyway, guys, let me know if you've done this before, if you've taken it to your local BMW dealer, or what your favorite Toyota dealer is that will service a Supra. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.